Don't miss out on this adorable updated one-bedroom home located in the popular Knolls of Kings Point. This light and bright end unit has an open floor plan, new easy care, waterproof vinyl flooring throughout, all rooms freshly painted and ready for a new owner. The modernized kitchen overlooking the great room will make cooking a pleasure with new cabinets, granite countertops, and brand new stainless steel appliances. The sizable great room and bedroom have plenty of space for your favorite possessions. The oversized walk-in closet will neatly keep the most lavish wardrobes. The inside laundry is handy and convenient. This totally maintenance-free condo means more time for enjoyment. Kings Point is one of Florida's premier 55-plus adult retirement communities. Catering to over 9,000 adults who want an active lifestyle, your $542.08 monthly fee includes gated security, water, sewer, 80-channel basic cable TV, internet, lawn maintenance, roof and all exterior maintenance, insurance on the structure, pest control, and free tram service to both clubhouses. A golf cart community where you can drive to the main 90,000 square feet clubhouse or the 28,000 square feet South Clubhouse, where you'll find a restaurant, indoor and outdoor pools, locker rooms, a sauna, a pottery room, an internet computer facility, an art room, a woodworking shop, and general meeting rooms for the more than 50 clubs, hobby, and activity groups. Close to nice restaurants, I-75, hospitals, and medicals facilities and much more. https://my.matterport.com/show/?m=w7mpmgbrfb1